If you would have to rate two techniques that people call black hat but you don't believe it's black hat, what will be those two techniques? Techniques that people call black hat but are actually not black hat nowadays.
Yeah, and buying backlinks, certainly. At the end of the day, if you're going to a webmaster and they want payment for their time to insert a link on their page, is that not fair?
Yeah.
Same thing with the black hat, white hat debate. Apparently, if you go to a big New York PR agency that's going to do some digital PR that naturally earns backlinks, that's apparently white hat, even though you're paying an agency, and that agency is probably paying a load of editors on the back end as well. So it's all just noise and speculation.
And like, how do you see the SERP evolving? Like, do you think in the coming decade or like half a decade, the search will still remain, affiliates like us and maybe you in some cases will still be relevant, or there will be just brands taking over the SERPs?
That's a very good question. I think everything we've seen with recent Google updates has been more and more towards big household names and brands. Even the affiliate keywords, it tends to be, as you know, really big publications now, Men's Health and Forbes, etc., taking over. So that's a challenge. The question is, with all the AI stuff, with AI mode and so on, which so far is very easy to manipulate, is that going to remain? Are more people going to find these loopholes and therefore be able to join that market and SERP? So potentially there's a lot of openings coming up.